Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into the problem of invasive monkeys in Florida, where hearing gunshots or spotting a monkey dropping from the trees has become a regular occurrence. The state is struggling to manage the rising numbers of wild monkeys. These monkeys have begun showing up at popular tourist destinations and beaches. Florida is now home to an estimated 5 million wild monkeys, leading to damages that could total as much as $85 million each year. The situation has grown into a serious issue as the monkeys not only transmit diseases but also harm local ecosystems and interfere with everyday human life. These monkey groups are causing major financial damage and destroying both public and private property, raising concerns among locals who worry about possible attacks while outside. In response to the increasing danger, Florida officials have implemented strict control efforts to handle the monkey problem. One creative and environmentally friendly approach being used is setting up electric fences. These fences have low-voltage wires that give monkeys a mild shock when touched, making the experience unpleasant enough to drive them away from the area. The Florida government is also looking into a more advanced solution that uses audio emitters based on sound waves. These devices produce frequencies ranging from 25 kHz to 55 kHz, too high for humans to hear, but irritating enough to the monkeys to drive them away from the area. These devices are carefully positioned in locations frequently visited by monkeys, successfully keeping them away without resorting to harmful or aggressive tactics. In recent years, the wild monkey population has surged, rendering older control methods less effective. As a result, an alternative tactic was introduced involving the Winchester Model 70 rifle, prized for its accuracy. However, this method faced heavy criticism from local communities and animal rights organizations who considered it cruel. Hunters assigned to this task must work under tight government guidelines and invest a great deal of effort to carry it out. Recent data from the Florida Department of Wildlife shows that hunters successfully removed 180 wild monkeys during the latest hunting season. This number represents nearly 60% of the total monkey population that had spread across different parts of the state. This result underscores the dedicated efforts of hunters to control the wild monkey population and minimize the harm they cause to both the environment and nearby communities. The numbers also reflect the success of the control strategies implemented to tackle the wild monkey issue, which has become a major concern for the state of Florida. Hunter safety is a top priority, so participants must complete 3 to 4 months of training before joining the hunt. Hunting usually takes place during the dry season when weather conditions are better and it's easier to track the animals. In Florida, the key monkey hunting season occurs in the fall from September through November. This activity primarily happens in the forests and nature reserves of Central and South Florida. The tough conditions in these areas demand that hunters show both patience and accuracy with each shot. Monkey hunting demands that hunters be both precise and stealthy, since monkeys are fast climbers and can hide easily among the treetops. Hunters need to be skilled marksmen and use high-precision rifles to hit their targets from a distance. Patience and calm are essential for hunters, helping them wait for the ideal moment to shoot. They also depend on modern gear like rifle-mounted binoculars and cameras to track the monkeys' movements, boosting the precision and success of their hunts. Besides rifles, hunters also use bows and arrows to increase accuracy and reduce noise during monkey hunting. According to the Florida Wildlife Management Bureau, bow hunting is roughly 70% more effective than rifle hunting in the state. It provides a quieter, less noticeable approach since hunters often hide in strategically positioned blinds. Monkeys are strongly drawn to food, especially sweet fruits, which hunters use as bait. This gives hunters extra time to spot their targets and take a shot. However, this approach has a drawback. It restricts hunters to close-range shots, usually within about 15 feet, around 4.5 meters. However, some communities still don't fully grasp the dangers monkey attacks pose to residents, resulting in strong resistance to hunting. Many see it as cruel. In response, authorities have quickly started educational campaigns to raise awareness about the risks of the monkey invasion and the need for safe and effective population control. Thanks for watching. Managing Florida's wild monkey population is a tough challenge, but with innovative solutions and community support, we can protect both people and the environment. Stay informed, stay safe, and let's work together to keep Florida's natural beauty thriving. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more updates. The squirrel population in the U.S. has grown substantially, now estimated at about 300 million. This increase is mainly due to factors like abundant food sources and favorable breeding conditions, which have fueled their rapid spread. Squirrels, particularly the eastern gray squirrel, thrive in urban and suburban neighborhoods where food is abundant and nesting spots are readily available. The expanding urban development across the U.S. has unintentionally provided ideal habitats for these animals to prosper. One of the biggest concerns with the growing squirrel population is the damage they cause to homes and property. Squirrels are notorious for their chewing habits, which stem from their need to constantly grind down their continuously growing teeth. This behavior can result in serious harm to buildings' wiring and other materials. Unfortunately, this behavior can have serious consequences. When squirrels chew on electrical wires, it's more than just a nuisance, it poses a major safety hazard. This destructive habit can cause electrical fires, short circuits, and power outages, endangering both property and lives. A study by the Electrical Safety Foundation, International ESFI, shows that squirrels are one of the top causes of power outages in the U.S. For instance, in 2020, a squirrel chewing on a transformer wire triggered a major blackout in San Francisco, affecting nearly 100,000 people. Incidents like this highlight the serious risks and financial costs linked to electrical damage caused by squirrels. Additionally, squirrels often take shelter in roofs and attics, causing significant damage by chewing through insulation wood and other building materials. Once inside, they use insulation for nesting, which not only harms the structure, but also causes heat loss, leading to increased energy bills for homeowners. Squirrels are well known for raiding gardens and farms, stealing fruits and nuts. This behavior impacts not only individual gardeners, but also causes broader economic losses for the agriculture sector. Crop damage can be significant, with some farmers reporting losses of up to 20% of their harvest due to squirrel activity. Air rifles are particularly favored for managing squirrel populations because of their accuracy and reduced risk of collateral damage. They work well in urban and suburban areas where safety and property protection are key concerns. These rifles allow for precise shots with minimal disturbance, making sure only the targeted squirrels are affected. On the other hand, shotguns are better suited for rural settings where the open space lowers the risk to people and property. The broad spread of shotgun pellets lets hunters cover larger areas and efficiently target multiple squirrels at once, making them especially effective in places with dense squirrel populations. While some see hunting as a necessary way to protect property and crops, others consider it inhumane. This ethical conflict is especially strong in urban and suburban areas where people tend to feel a closer bond with wildlife and view animals as part of their community. Thanks for tuning in. The growing squirrel population presents real challenges, but together we can find balanced, humane solutions. If you're dealing with squirrels or want to learn more about managing wildlife responsibly, be sure to share this video. Leave your thoughts below and follow for updates. Let's work together to protect our homes, communities, and the animals around us. It's not monkeys or squirrels, but wild boar herds that are causing significant damage in Mississippi. Near the border area, a herd of 20 to 30 wild boars has been seen roaming a large field, gradually moving closer to the city, raising increasing concerns among residents and local officials. The wild boars were moving at speeds up to 25 miles per hour, about 40 kilometers per h, when they attacked a glass shop, causing panic among bystanders, encountering wild boars for the first time. Their incredible strength shattered the glass, leading to repair costs totaling $4 million for the shop. The incidents didn't stop there. Several traffic accidents occurred on highways during the night. In just 1 month, 54 car crashes involved wild boars, causing extensive damage to numerous vehicles. Growing worries about these disruptions and public safety risks have prompted Mississippi state officials to look for effective ways to tackle the wild boar issue and restore order. In response to the increasing damage, authorities have deployed helicopters to help control the growing wild boar population. From the air, hunters armed with firearms are ready to act at a moment's notice. The aerial perspective provides a wide panoramic view, allowing them to spot and track the herds as they move through forests and swamps. As the hunting team chases the boars, excitement and tension rise with every new sighting of the wild animals. Hunters need to act quickly, taking close-range shots to stop the boars before they escape into dense forests or other hard-to-reach spots. The mix of gunfire and the helicopter's rotor noise creates a tense atmosphere where every shot counts. During this dangerous pursuit, the team must work together, coordinating their efforts to handle the aggressive wild boars and protect both themselves and the local community. Teamwork is key, with every member playing a vital role in tracking, pursuing, and handling emergencies. Close coordination and fast, clear communication are essential to keep the team safe and ensure mission success. Trust in one another's abilities and a strong sense of camaraderie help them overcome the many challenges, especially in the dangerous and unpredictable jungle environment. To stay safe during hunting, hunters must wear protective gear like helmets, goggles, and body armor to shield themselves from firearm risks and environmental hazards. Regular weapon inspections and maintenance are essential, and shots should only be taken when lighting and visibility are sufficient to reduce dangers. Additionally, hunters must follow legal regulations and secure the required permits before taking part in hunting activities. When hunting wild boars from helicopters, they're required to wear noise-canceling headphones to lessen the loud sounds from the helicopter and gunfire. These headphones help reduce stress and fatigue, protect hearing, and improve focus, boosting the hunter's effectiveness during each mission.
Feels bad.
Hunting from a helicopter at night poses significant risks for hunters because low-light conditions make it harder to spot and identify targets, reducing their overall effectiveness. In Mississippi, each wild boar hunt is a unique challenge and experience. Experienced hunters in the area have developed advanced skills, from moving silently to mastering precise firearm handling, enabling them to navigate these tough conditions and successfully track and target the wild boars. They've taken down hundreds of wild boars during their hunts, seizing every chance across Mississippi's vast plains. The herds charge at high speeds to escape kicking up dust with every stride. It turns into a race for survival, a battle between humans and the wild, where every move matters in the chase for these elusive animals. The powerful helicopter rotors shake the dense forest canopy below. From this panoramic aerial view, hunters can spot fast-moving herds of wild boars hidden beneath the trees without putting themselves at risk on the ground. This airborne advantage is vital, providing a crucial tactical edge when hunting in the tough, dense jungle environment. A course on gun safety and aerial shooting techniques is essential for hunters. Training for wild boar hunting usually lasts about 3 months and is a key part of their preparation. During this time, hunters learn how to properly use different weapons, including long-range rifles and handguns, as well as how to handle various situations they might encounter during the hunt. This training ensures hunters are well prepared to safely and effectively pursue wild boars in tough conditions. Shooting wild boars from a helicopter demands specialized skills and practical experience. Hunters need to work closely with the pilot and support team to accurately locate the boars and make safe, effective shots. This teamwork is vital, as clear communication and precise timing are key to both the hunt's success and everyone's safety.
Okay, stand by. Camera up. There you go. Little bastard. I blew it. One more up here. One. Oh, she's up. She's down. Just want you to look at that field. They're everywhere. Hey.
Hunting often faces strong opposition from the community because of its potential negative effects on local ecosystems, especially forests. Public safety is a major concern since hunting near residential or urban areas can put people at risk. The use of firearms and the movement of hunters can create dangerous situations, leading to demands for stricter regulations and alternative wildlife management methods. Ethics and morality play a big role in the debate, with some arguing that hunting isn't entertainment or achievement, but an unfair act against animals. However, hunting wild boars from helicopters has proven effective in helping Mississippi cities avoid dangerous encounters with this invasive species. While controversial, these measures are in place to protect public safety, control the boar population, and reduce the damage they cause in both urban and rural areas. While these methods have helped control some invasive species, do you think there are better alternatives? If so, we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on our future videos. And be sure to share this video with your friends so they can enjoy it too.